you buy the farm. Then you put about 200 to 250,000. So let's take a figure. I will take 250,000 because of the price. Now, that's that now. So the price is 17,000. You fill the farm, and every month you are guaranteed of getting nothing less than 20%. Now, all the people that register when I first did the seminar, they are getting nothing less than 50%. Some get 60%. One of our team made 22 million about 5 days ago. The guy put 40 million. So every month is going to be collecting about 22 million. This next month should be collecting up to 27 million. I have a woman that is collecting tomorrow. Because the coin has gone up, she will be collecting about 1 million. About 2 million 850. So the other month she will get another 1 million. Another 1 million. Another 1 million. For 12 months, that's how you are going to be getting. Now, at the end of the 12 months, they will carry your capital and give it back to you.
And the colonial government
and the farm, they will ask you, do you want to continue with the farm? If your answer is yes, you can put the money in. Okay? If your answer is no, then the farm is there. So, but the beautiful thing about this opportunity is that once you register with 85,000 to buy the farm, you can put about 250. It will be minting the coin for you. And don't forget, why I said 250 is because the price has gone to 17,000 for one coin. So to fill your farm, you might need up to 250. Okay? Now, 85 plus 250 is going to give us a figure of, let me do a little bit of calculation for you right there. Anybody can help me with that so that we can be faster. 85 plus 250 should give me 335. Then why? If you buy something, if you buy the farm of 85,000, you may not fill it with 250. You may only fill it with 100,000. You may fill it with 150. You may even put 200. It all depends on how much you want to put. The price of the farm is 85, and then you can put any amount you want. If you put any amount, you are going to be getting a minimum of 20% of that money, depending on the price of the coin. Actually, you are going to get up to 50%. It is Dr. Somi that is just saying 20. I'm just trying to be conservative. All the people that I have registered, the one that gets lowest gets 50%. The one that gets lowest gets 50%. And I have, just like I told you, I have people that have collected 22 million from an investment of 40 million. And that's how they will collect 22 million every month. If they will collect 22 million the following month, as already been stated, even collecting 1 million, everybody knows this. Just start that your fund is set up, you see all the things that you are going to collect your money. Everybody is collecting their money. Now, how does this work? So if you buy that coin worth of 250, put it in that farm, it will produce for you coin. When it produces for you that coin, by the time it is that thing, you will have seen it, it wants to drop there. It will just change the color and drop. The moment it drops, and sell on by now and then collect your money. Now, higher the price of the coin, the more the coin is going up, the more money you are making. And the coin has moved from $1 to 7,500, from 7,500 to 14,000. All the people that came to the meeting early January, they got it at 9,000, some 10,000. Some of them are here now, they are watching it. In fact, I'm going to be taking testimony of the people. They got so, and now the coin is 70,000. That is 70% on their money already. So, everyone is happy. I mean, I have people going on with 500,000 every month, and at the end of 12 months, you will still get back your capital that you put there. Now, the coin is going to increase. Why will the coin increase? Why will the price of the coin increase? The company as a community already, I have told you that. I went to their office, I went to their event, I went to their meetings, I went to many other stuff like that. I'm going to try to see if I can get something out for you from their previous meetings so that you can see the crowd that has been doing this before you are getting to know about it. Some people have been because they've been part of the stuff. Okay, just a moment. I want to get something for you. Okay. So look at this. I'm going to mute this. I've skipped it. And I'm going to show you in a bit. So look at this. I'm going to show you here. Share screen now. Okay, I'm not sharing external video file. Share screen. I'm going to take the volume, and this is it. Beautiful. So I need to, can you see this? I'm going to take this now. So look at it. I want you to watch this video. This was when they held their convention. So I want you to take a look at this.